Unveiling the Skies, the basics of piloting a UAV. Hello and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to unfold the meaning behind the phrase, pilot a UAV. It's a term that's gaining altitude in our technological world, and we're here to navigate through its meaning together. So, fasten your seatbelts, and let's take off into the world of unmanned aviation. Pilot a UAV simply means to operate or fly unmanned aerial vehicle, UAV, which is also commonly known as a drone. The word pilot here is used as a verb, and it refers to the act of controlling the flight of an aircraft. A UAV, on the other hand, is an aircraft without a human pilot on board. Let's break down the phrase, pilot a UAV. Pilot. Traditionally, this is a person who flies an aircraft. However, when used as a verb, it means to control the flight of an aircraft. This is an indefinite article used in English, which refers to any example or instance of an object. In this case, a UAV. UAV, an acronym for Unmanned Aerial Vehicle, which is an aircraft piloted by remote control or onboard computers. The phrase can be seen in various contexts. Military. The soldier learned to pilot a UAV for reconnaissance missions. Commercial. Companies are hiring experts to pilot UAVs for aerial photography. Hobbyists. After buying a drone, she quickly learned how to pilot a UAV. Each context changes the nuance of how the phrase is understood, but the fundamental meaning remains the same. Why is it important to know how to say and understand, pilot a UAV? With the rise of drone technology, it's becoming an increasingly common phrase across various industries. From delivering packages to capturing breathtaking aerial shots, UAVs are opening up new horizons, and knowing how to talk about them is becoming essential. We hope this video has given you a clear understanding of what it means to pilot a UAV. As technology soars, so does our language. Keep flying high with your English learning, and we'll see you in the next video. Happy flying!